just so you know, my background is a CPA. I've been auditing school districts, counties, towns, villages for 30 years, and not-for-profits also, and everything else under the sun. I'm a diplomat with the Board of American Forensic Accountants, and I also headed the Government Affairs Committee for Sullivan County. The reason I'm telling you this is because I think what has happened here is very non-transparent. I tried to get information related to the financial records for the county as well as for the financial department, the financial district, and although it was asked for late, it was only because I only got the notice late. The notice was dated this June 17th, and I asked for the information last Friday, and I was not able to ascertain that information. I even asked if I could come down and pick it up. I was not able to get that. Anyway, so here's my problem. I sat on my school board for 5 years. I was president of my school board for the last year I sat on it. The reason I ran for the board and gave up doing the work for the school audit was simply because they were spending money left and right, and they did not know how to spend the money or could read the financial statements. So I ran for the school board, I sat on it for 5 years, and I was president of the school board the last year I lived up in New York. And I got them to rein in the budget. This is not just you can spend everybody else's money because it's not your money. It's everybody's money that you represent. And every constituent that you represent is paying for every dollar that you spend. So what you need to do is you need to look at your budget and get those numbers in balance and have somebody actually audit those numbers that knows what they're looking at. Once I get those financial statements, I will be looking at them very carefully. But a 25% increase to ask these people who have just suffered through Hurricane Ian, including myself, to give them a 25% increase when they're facing property tax increases and astronomical insurance increases, on top of that is a huge increase in 1 year. What I would suggest that you do is you take that increase and spread that out further. Instead of doing 25% in 1 year, you spread it out over 7 years or longer, but spread it out. You have enough fund balance in that fire district fund balance to cover your increases. The biggest increase I see is your capital portion of your budget, which is going from $844,000 to $2.3 million. I'm not quite sure what exactly that entails, and I don't have the answers to those questions at this point, but I will get them. So what I'm asking you to consider is not doing a whole 25% increase to this community all at once. Spread it out. These people are, many of these people are on fixed incomes, including myself. We're on fixed incomes. You can't expect them to get hit with a 25% increase in 1 year. That's crazy. And that's why I ran for my school board, because they were going crazy spending money and increasing our school budget like insane. And it just drove me nuts. I gave up getting paid for their services to do their audit so I could get them to rein in their expenditures. That's what you need to do. That's at least what my recommendation is. Thank you for your time.